Vehicle theft can be your worst nightmare. It's both a personal violation and a financial setback. Automobile theft, which happens every 40 seconds in the United States, results in various expenses, such as insurance deductibles, taxes, fees, and even the down payment on your replacement vehicle. Expenses rarely covered by your comprehensive insurance. Vehicle window etching and parts marking are some of the most effective ways to discourage car thieves, and are important aids in recovery, according to the National Insurance Crime Bureau. Permanent traceable identification codes, which are registered in a national database that can be easily accessed by law enforcement, make your vehicle undesirable to thieves. Should your vehicle be stolen and not recovered, you will receive up to $5,000 in benefits, which will cover typical out-of-pocket expenses. Today's car owner cannot afford to ignore the very real possibility of auto theft. Protect yourself with the Theft Protection Program.